that way.
The farthest one I saw.
Oh,
All the way
jeez!
Yeah. It's cool, huh?
I dare to go all the way across the sky. Oh my God, this is.
The farthest I've seen it,
Oh,
only
sheesh.
gone to over there, but that's it.
Oh, I saw it go all the way back there.
That's cool, huh?
Oh my God.
This
Oh
is so
my God,
cool.
if you see that right now. Oh, shoot. Oh my God, that looks.
Do you think we're dying today?
No! Get off the street! Oh my gosh. Hi. You can touch it, look. That's crazy. Oh my God.
Some of
If
these
you're in-
lightning strikes, they go sideways.
I know. Oh my God. Oh, sheesh! And wait, it's fucking. It's like God drawing.
Where's this Godzilla coming?
No, and then you just see Godzilla. Me? Oh, crap. That's so cool.
Wait. And there was an iceberg, we would be underwater right now.
John, come here. Come here. Hold on to this. Keep it at this angle. Oh my God! I think my.
You missed it.
No, I had it pointing.
Dad missed it.
Oh
That's
my
so cool.
God! Okay, John, take it. I gotta go pee.
Go.
Yeah, John, there's someone playing. Wait. Come back.
Grab it.
Oh my God. This is sick. Oh. Jen, remember that big one that went across the sky a little? That one? Guess what?
Right before you left.
Right before I left, I think that literally.
Hey!
I think it like made my screen white for a second. I think it did that. Oh my God.
We're cooked by Godzilla today.
Okay, John.
This is just Mother Nature.
I need a sweatshirt. I'm starting to get cold.
By the way, this is just Mother Nature being Mother Nature. Oh my God.
Did you say anything into the video while I was gone?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't remember.
So that
Oh,
that
you saw that. It's going up, not down.
I'm literally
It's going up, not down.
Jeez, this is the
It's
best.
going up,
Not go-
sideways.
no,
and I've
no.
only seen one that has gone.
Instead of going there, just move it over there.
I've seen ones that are up straight, sideways, and